Hi, I'm Anna Poslednik, and I'm a graduate student at the Virginia Institute of Marine Science. Prior to beginning my graduate studies, I served as a sea turtle research patrol member on a loggerhead nesting beach. Here, I'm presenting a lesson plan based on my time on that nesting beach, intended for 4th grade math and science classrooms, which mimics a real-life sea turtle night and dawn patrol, and includes measuring and tagging nesting turtles, counting eggs, and graphing collected data. This lesson plan, entitled Sea Turtle Patrol, begins with a short presentation that goes through some background information about sea turtles and their nesting behavior. Then students are tasked with going on a night patrol, where I encourage teachers to turn off the lights in their classroom and hand out turtle-safe red lights, or flashlights covered in red cellophane, which really allows students to get a feel for what a real night patrol feels and looks like. Using these flashlights, students will collect data on all of the mama sea turtles that they encounter on their beach. Each group will receive 3 different printed out sea turtles and a night patrol data sheet. They will then work together to read the turtles' tags, so the flipper tags and the pit tags, as well as measure the turtle's carapace or shell length and width and the head width. They'll also record any other observations that they might have about their particular sea turtles. Each group will also receive a brand new sea turtle mom, where they will have to give it new tags and even a new name. If time and resources permit, teachers can ask students to select one turtle from each group to scan the shell's QR code, which will then bring them to a page that shows them where that particular turtle has laid its eggs before. After the students have completed their night patrol, the lights will come back on and it'll be time for the second activity, dawn patrol. Each group of students will be assigned a month of the sea turtle nesting period, so May, June, July, or August, and they'll receive 2 to 3 different brown paper bags with their month written on the bag. Each bag will be filled with anywhere between 7 to 12 turtle eggs of 2 different colors, where the colors indicate whether the eggs will hatch as a male or a female. In my lesson plan, teachers can find a table that will have instructions about how many of each egg to put in each bag, depending on the month of that group. I recommend teachers use ping pong balls for your classroom's eggs, as these are almost the exact same size and shape of a real sea turtle egg. However, your classroom can also use medium-sized pom-poms, or even crumbled up pieces of paper as eggs. Students will then open up their nests and count how many of each color egg they have in their bags and record this on their dawn patrol data sheet. They will then practice their 10 times multiplication skills, as turtles actually lay on average 80 to 100 eggs per nest, and then add all of their eggs up together to get a total across all of their nests. As a class, students will then produce a line graph and a bar graph to see in which month the most total eggs are laid, and then which months produce the most male and female hatchlings. They will discover that hotter months produce more female sea turtles, as a turtle's sex is determined by the temperature in which the egg was incubated at. Students will then have a chance to think about how sea turtle sex ratios might change as summers get hotter, and come up with other research questions that they would want to explore as Sea Turtle Patrol members. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you consider using this lesson plan in your classroom.